Well, it's good to be here in Alberta again, friends. I'm a long way from home, but I'll tell you, it's worth every mile to drive out here and see my friends in Edson. Thank you so much. It's true, it's true. This is what I'm talking about, the hospitality that I'm greeted with everywhere I go. It's second to none out here, I'll tell you folks. Thank you. Thank you so much. I have a real special song about Alberta. It was written by Mr. Ian Tyson back in the 1950s. It's called Four Strong Winds. Think I'll go out to Alberta, the weather's good there in the fall. I've got some friends I could go working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I asked you one more time. But we've been through this 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. The good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If I get there before the snow flies and the things are looking good, you can meet me if I send you down the field. But brother, it would be winter, not too much for you to do, and those winds sure can blow cold way out there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. The good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all those things that don't change, come what may. The good times are all gone, so I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I never back this way. I'll look for you if I never back this way.